Today's video is about 5 best premium projectors that you can buy this year. I've made this list based on my personal opinion, research, but also taking in consideration customer reviews. So, whether it's performance, price, or its particular use, I've got the perfect match for you. If you want more information and up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in video description. Stay with me till the end of the video to get the full specs of my best 5. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified when I publish more. So, here are 5 of the best premium projectors that you can buy this year. This is AWOL Vision LTV 3500, the brightest ultra-short throw 4K, 3D triple laser projector. The AWOL Vision LTV 3500, 4K ultra-short throw projector, powered with a cutting-edge triple-color laser technology, true 3500 ANSI lumens, 4K UHD resolution, HDR10+, 3D available, brings you a stunning 150 inches, 4K TV experience from anywhere in your house. You'll enjoy a vibrant, vivid image and sharpness without loss of any detail. Coupled with exceptional audio immersion technology with Dolby Atmos, LTV 3500 is the brightest, most premium triple laser, 4K ultra-throw projector on the market. Unlike UST projectors with color wheel, this projector's advanced optical system uses pure RGB triple lasers to deliver the colors directly. It greatly improves the color vibrance, reduces the noise and rainbow effects. With a pair of active shutter 3D glasses, LTV 3500 steps you into a whole new world. You can pop in a 3D Blu-ray for immersive 3D films at home. Featuring 4K UHD and HDR10+ image processing, the AWOL Vision casts images with the clarity and precision of 8.3 million distinct pixels. Patented TV stick pocket includes a HDMI port and USB port with power, allowing you to hide the TV stick inside the projector. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on this projector, be sure to check the links in video description. This is the Anker NEBULA Cosmos Laser 4K projector, one of the best compact projectors, and an item that would not disappoint you in any way. Make your movies shine with the intensity of 2400 ISO lumens, which is so bright you can even watch with the lights on, then watch every pixel pop in 4K UHD quality. Image quality is almost like a flagship TV. The only difference is that black are more intense on a TV, and a bit pale on the projector. This is negligible though, as the overall picture quality is breathtakingly stunning. If you don't compare this to a TV simultaneously, then you will be fully satisfied with the image quality. Start the movie in seconds with intelligent environment adaptation technology. The ergonomically designed handle allows you to conveniently move Cosmos Laser 4K to the bedroom or the backyard, wherever you want to watch movies. Enrich your ears with the sweet, rich sound of movie soundtracks from the dual 5-watt tweeters, and notice the heightened intensity from the dual 10-watt speakers immersing you in the action. The speakers are Dolby Digital Plus compliant, and in total account for 30 watts. This projector packs an auxiliary, an HDMI port, and a USB-A port. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on this projector, be sure to check the links in video description. Lose yourself in immersive detail and enjoy a cinematic experience at home with the 130-inch The Premier Projector, a 4K UHD Smart TV 4.2 channel sound system with built-in Alexa, cutting-edge UHD ultra-bright triple laser technology, and 4K resolution, deliver dramatic, high-quality cinematic picture quality in contrast, while 2800 lumens ensure you catch every detail, even in bright light. The Premier is the world's first HDR10+ projector for vibrant viewing. That's just like being in a theater. This compact projector turns any room into a home theater. Ultra-short throw technology allows the Premier to be placed inches from the wall while delivering an incredible picture. Powerful sound matches the stunning display with 40-watt 4.2 channel built-in audio channel system, while built-in game enhancers, super easy control, and a host of other enhancements such as built-in Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby elevate the smart projector watching experience. Transform your living room into an incredible home cinema with the 3000 lumens, ultra-short throw Optoma CinemaX P2, Smart True 4K, UHD laser home theater projector. The laser light source, autofocus, high-performance glass lens and smart-fit auto-geometry correction system ensure hassle-free setup and easily produces stunning 120-inch projection with rich HDR color. An integrated Dolby Digital 2.0 soundbar, with 2 full-range speakers, 2 woofers, ported chambers and 40 watts of power, delivers crisp details with superior dialogue clarity. The combination of 2 full-range drivers, and 2 woofers, delivers smooth mid-range frequencies, crystal-clear vocals and deep bass. Smart Plus technology enable Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and IFTTT support for easy integration into your smart home, while the Android OS, with smart TV apps and Optoma Marketplace, delivers USB media playback compatibility, internet streaming services and downloadable apps. Laser technology delivers outstanding brightness, up to 30,000 hours of light source life, that maintains stunning image quality throughout its lifespan. 3,000 lumens of brightness, enable lights-on viewing for entertainment in a variety of environments, any time of day. With the Alexa Smart Home and Custom Skills, or Google Action, control your CinemaX P2 projector with intuitive voice control using Amazon Echo and Google Home devices. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on this projector, be sure to check the links in video description.
Play the videos in USB drive. Curtain down, turn the lights off.